You've got a cracker of a game lined up for you. NorthEast United taking on BSF football team or Border Securities football team. And this game is coming your way from the Sai Stadium in Kokrajhar. Here's a look at NorthEast United and their formation. Juan Pedro Bernali has gone into the 4-2-3-1 formation. You've got number 9, Guillermo up front, and Hamza, the Moroccan defender, will be manning defense at the back for Juan Pedro Bernali's team. Now about Gurjeet Singh Atwal's team, Border Security football team. They've gone in with a 4-1-4-1 formation. Depends on how, once the game starts, it could all completely change. Keep an eye out on jersey number 10, Kishori. Their captain is Mohammad Asif. So we're moments away from kickoff. And there we are, NorthEast United, attacking from the left to the right on your TV screens, and they're all red kit. And in front of them, stopping them, is the Border Security Force football team, and they're all blue kit. Yeah, you've got the chance now to put the pressure on Border Security Force straight away. It's the second minute of the game. He gets that header in the box. Should have done a lot better.
Yeah, it was onside. It was a late run, just held it a little bit. In terms of the delivery, it was more stood up than whip.
Easily controlling the game in these first 8 minutes. Hamza again does well, finds Jithan Epps. Now, Nesta Albiak asking for that ball. Did not release it that time, but here it is. Guillermo getting the first goal for NorthEast United Football Club. At one point, it looked like Jithan Epps had done a bit too much. Held his own, laid that ball back for Nesta Albiak.
The box is flooded with 3 or 4 of his teammates and just provides a simple assist, and that's what you want to see. Unselfish, who can tap it into the goal, and 1-0, and I have to say it's deserved lead.
Good ball put in. Enough bodies in the box as well. Danger still not averted for Border Security Force. Now here's Parthiv Gogoi. Goes for the shot! Beautiful shot. If ever there was a moment to describe what Parthiv Gogoi is all about, that attack should tell you everything you want to know about this young man.
Ability to try and get recognised in that national team side.
Berama plays it long. Here's Guillermo, beautiful first touch, sets it up for Parthiv, misses it Parthiv, but there comes Jithan! No problem whatsoever. It's the wide players from NorthEast United that are having a field day in these first 20 minutes.
It's all about that first touch though, and the vision to be able. They have done well, the NorthEast United side so far. He's filled the box with lots of bodies. The opposite winger on that occasion, Border Force side, just not able to get out and try to press the ball, and they found themselves 2-0 down early in the game.
Here's Tondomba with a long throw. Bemamar was the target at the time. And here's Guillermo. Looks like he's got that. Looks like he's got NorthEast United's third goal. It seems like he's given a foul in favour of Border Security Force. I guess the replay will tell us if it was an offside or not.
But you give the ball away, and it might be just that one moment that sparks them into life, as we see a replay of this incident again, which might have looked like for the third goal.
It's the perfect opportunity to check what your team is made of, what these players that you've signed for the new season are made. You've dominated play, and here you are. There you go. Goal number 3. It's the new man. Has it been given? The offside flag has been come up.
Yeah, you'd have to say it's a correct decision. Agility and a bit more dynamic.
What a start that would have been for Ajare for his new club. Parthiv Gogoi this time, no mistake whatsoever. Beautifully worked and beautifully booked in by Guillermo. And it seems like he's picked up an injury in the process, but take nothing away from that goal.
Parthiv Gogoi there. Direct it with a head. No, he's going to use the outside of his right foot. Beautiful technique, really creative, intelligent play. He puts it on a plate.
Yeah, it was the new man, Falguni, with that ball. Came on straight away, made an impact on the game within the first few minutes. Keeps possession, back to Robin Yadav. There's a player down there, Ajare was there. Apologies, that was jersey number 16 for NorthEast United. And it looks like a penalty's been given for NorthEast.
Ajare again just closing in, and it actually looks like the penalty and the foul might have come from his own player. Or is it Jitendra just there hanging a leg out?
Jersey number 16, Mohammad Asif Khan. Meanwhile, the penalty is still not taken, and guess what? Surprise, surprise, Andy. Ajare is the one who's taking that penalty. He came on with just one thing on his mind, one objective, and that is to find the back of the net. And there you have it. Ajare came on to score goal number 4 for NorthEast United Football Club. He's looked like a busy player. He looks like a player with intent. He looks like a player who wants to find the back of the net whenever given the opportunity. And he was never going to miss from the penalty spot. 4-0 to NorthEast United.
Yeah, and it looks like the referee's blown full time as well. Just waxing lyrical here about Imama in terms of 92 passes completed, 121 touches of the ball as a deep line midfielder. Such a pivotal role, a lot of work gone unseen by him.